Before you install your Liberty mail post, you should always contact your local utilities locating service so that they can make sure to mark out your utilities before you put a shovel in the ground. Walpole mail posts should be set 24 inches from the face of the post to the edge of the road. A helpful hint if you're in a wet location or a location that's short on soil, you can tamp dry cement into the hole, or you can use the concrete as a filler if you don't have enough soil. Always check your post for plumb or level as you backfill and tamp the earth around your post. The post cap is affixed to the top of the post with 2 adhesive strips. One thing to remember when you're turning your platform boards so that they face 90 degrees to your mailbox arm is always turn them clockwise so they tighten as they're turned. A helpful hint when you're screwing your pieces onto your post, you'll notice as you screw the screws in, the piece will pull away from the post. If you back the screw out and then drive it in again, it'll pull the part in tight. To add to the stability of your mailbox, make sure to install the screw through the back of your box into the post. Assemble your mailbox per instructions.